The electric vehicle market in 2025 is shaping up to be more exciting than ever, with new models, advanced technology, and a stronger push towards sustainability. Major automakers are rolling out their latest innovations, and governments around the world are increasing incentives for EV adoption. From long-range capabilities to rapid charging solutions, this year is proving to be a turning point for the industry. Consumers can expect a mix of affordability and high-end luxury as brands compete to dominate the market. Tesla remains a major player, with the highly anticipated Cybertruck finally reaching more customers. With its unique design and improved battery technology, the Cybertruck is expected to redefine the electric pickup segment. Tesla's other models, like the Model 3 and Model Y, are also receiving updates with better battery efficiency, improved range, and new autonomous driving features. The company's full self-driving FSD software continues to evolve, bringing it closer to achieving true autonomy. Legacy automakers are stepping up their game as well. Ford has expanded its EV lineup with a more powerful and affordable version of the F-150 Lightning, making electric trucks more accessible to the masses. General Motors is pushing forward with its Ultium battery technology, which allows for better energy density and longer driving ranges. The Chevrolet Blazer EV and Equinox EV are set to compete with Tesla's lineup, offering sleek designs and impressive performance. Meanwhile, Rivian is making waves with its updated R1T and R1S models, which now come with faster charging times and improved off-road capabilities. European and Asian automakers are also making significant contributions to the EV revolution. Volkswagen has introduced its latest ID series models, focusing on affordability and efficiency. BMW is advancing its electric portfolio with the new i5 and i7, catering to both performance enthusiasts and luxury seekers. Mercedes-Benz is taking a bold step with its EQ lineup, featuring ultra-luxurious interiors and cutting-edge technology. Meanwhile, Hyundai and Kia continue to impress with their Ioniq and EV series, bringing competitive pricing and solid performance to the market. Battery technology is one of the most important areas of advancement in 2025. Solid-state batteries are closer to becoming mainstream, promising higher energy density, faster charging, and longer lifespans. Companies like Toyota and QuantumScape are leading the charge, working on solutions that could dramatically improve EV performance. Lithium iron phosphate (LFP) batteries are also gaining popularity, offering a more cost-effective and durable alternative to traditional lithium-ion batteries. Charging infrastructure is expanding rapidly, making EVs more convenient for everyday users. Governments and private companies are investing heavily in fast charging networks, with new ultra-fast chargers capable of adding hundreds of miles of range in just minutes. Wireless charging is also becoming a reality, allowing vehicles to charge simply by parking over designated charging pads. These advancements are making range anxiety a thing of the past, encouraging more people to switch to electric vehicles. The EV industry is also focusing on sustainability beyond just reducing carbon emissions. Many manufacturers are adopting eco-friendly materials, using recycled plastics, vegan leather, and sustainable production processes to lower their environmental impact. Companies are also exploring second-life battery solutions, repurposing used EV batteries for energy storage in homes and businesses. This circular economy approach is helping to create a more sustainable future for electric mobility. Autonomous driving technology is another exciting area of progress. Many EVs in 2025 come equipped with advanced driver assistance systems, offering features like hands-free driving on highways and automated parking. Companies like Tesla, Waymo, and Cruise are working on fully autonomous robotaxis, which could transform urban transportation. While full autonomy is still in development, the advancements in AI and sensor technology are bringing it closer to reality. Consumer interest in EVs is at an all-time high, driven by lower prices, better performance, and a growing charging infrastructure. Governments worldwide are offering tax incentives and subsidies to encourage EV adoption, making them more accessible to a wider audience. Many countries are also setting deadlines for the phase-out of gasoline cars, further accelerating the shift to electric mobility. With all these developments,